This one can measure the person's ECG, the heart rate of the person. This can measure the person's body weight, and it can also measure and one arrow here, left, right, left, right. He can just focus on one side. We'll be showing you this BCI application later because this one is the page turner. Later we will be seeing.